everyone, Gil here at Gray Man Prepping. Today we're going to be covering my second prepper haul for the month of March. Alright, so I went to 4 places today. I started out at Winco, and at Winco I picked up 16 cans of chicken noodle soup and a loaf of bread for the grandkids, because they come over and they go, "Can I have some toast? Can I have some toast?" Because they like Grandpa's toast. All right, so Winco, so the bread was $1. Where's it here now? Winco. Bread was $1.28, and the soups were $1.26 a can. $1.26 on sale. I probably should have gotten twice this much, but I just wasn't into it carrying that much out to the truck. All right, from there I went to Costco. At Costco I got 2 4-packs of the Hebrew National hot dogs at $11.99 a 4-pack. So it's basically $3 a pack, a piece inside. I got 4 bags of the 50-pound bags of the ice melt stuff. All right, so that was Costco. And Costco is out of the Mr. Heater Buddies. All right, next place I went. Oh, sorry, I started at Walmart. Not Winco. And I don't see the Walmart receipt here. It's probably in around somewhere else. Okay, so there I got 2 more 2-packs of propane for the master bath. I got the eyeglass cleaners. Just say I wear these a lot and they tend to get smudges. I picked up 3 of the 24-pack of regular Quaker Oats. These are 100 calories per pack. So 2 packs, that's 200 calories for breakfast. Boom. Weight loss. And speaking of weight loss, check out the weight loss playlist over on my other channel, Camp Pat and Family Compound. All right, then for entertainment, I grabbed the Wakanda Forever. All right, then I went to Sam's Club, and I got a 5-pound bag of carrots because carrots are healthier for me, and the grandkids just absolutely love them. Lately they've been wanting the carrots more than they have the cheese sticks. So, boom. Speaking of cheese sticks, I got 2 more packages of cheese sticks. I got a gallon of milk. That's best use by date is the 30th. And then I got a package of tortillas. And this has this is the small diameter ones. These are 90 calories each, with 21 carbs each, and this is the 50 count total. And generally, it's quesadillas for the grandsons. So that's my prepper haul for the latter portion here of March. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. And before I take off, I'm going to put a link up here to a video you should be interested in. I'm going to put the Prepper Pantry playlist down here. I'm going to put another video over here you should like, and I'll put the link to Camp Pat and Family Compound right up here. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you around.